Hello class 7th, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today's chapter is fractions. In this chapter, we will be able to understand fractions, type of fractions and add, subtract, multiply and divide of a fraction. Let's start. What is a fraction? A number that expresses equal parts of a whole object. Means part of a whole. Like 2 by 3. Dash के above part है, dash के down whole है. Let's understand this part. 1 is a numerator and 2 is a denominator as you see on the screen. Let's take an example. As you see on the screen, there is a pizza, and if you have one slice of pizza and the entire pizza has 8 slices, so you have 1/8 of the pizza. 1 is a numerator and number of slices 8 is denominator. Now let's talk about the types of fractions. There are 3 types. First, proper fraction. Second, mixed fractions. Third, improper fraction. In proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator as you see on the screen. Example है ना, 3 by 4. 3 is smaller than 4. Second, mixed fraction. In mixed fraction, we have whole numbers and fraction. For example, 2, 1 by 2. 2 is a whole and 1 by 2 is a fraction. Next, improper fractions. In this fraction, numerator is bigger than the denominator. For example, 9 by 4. 9 is a numerator and 4 is a denominator. So, 9 is greater than the denominator. Let's take an example. As you see on the screen, first is a proper fraction, second is an improper fraction, and third is a mixed fraction. There are other terms which are like terms, unlike terms, and equivalent. In like term, we have a same denominators. In unlike term, we have a different denominators, and in equivalent, we represent the same amount as you see on the screen. Let's learn addition and subtraction of a fraction in both like fractions and unlike fraction. In like fraction, we add the numerators and we write the denominator only. As you see on the screen, we have 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6. What we have to do? We add only 2 plus 1. So we get 3. The fraction will be 3 by 6. And in other hand, subtraction, we do the same, but we subtract the numerators. But in unlike term, we don't have the same denominator. So we convert the fraction into the equivalent fraction with the same denominator as you see on the screen. Now learn the multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. As you see, we multiply 2 by 2 by 3. So 2 is multiplied by 2 and 3 as it is. तो number क्या आ गया हमारे पास? 4 by 3. Now learn multiply a fraction by a fraction. We have 2 fractions. One is 1 by 2, the other is 1 by 3. So we multiply numerator with numerator. So we get 1, and when we multiply denominator with denominator, we get 6. So what we learn? When we multiply a fraction, we multiply numerator with numerator and denominators with the other denominator. Okay? Now we learn how we divide the fractions. We have a question 1 by 2 is divided by 1 by 6. So what we have to do? First, we change the sign. When we change the sign, the number, it means the fraction 1 by 6 is reciprocal. So, जो न्यूमरेटर था वो बन गया डिनोमिनेटर एंड जो डिनोमिनेटर था वो बन गया न्यूमरेटर एंड देन वी सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन एंड वी गेट द आंसर. Thank you for watching and please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel so you get all the notifications.